So the cicadas are out and they are everywhere. Here's one. They're infesting my tree. About a few days ago, they were only in my neighborhood up the street when I'd walk my kids to the bus stop. But now, if you can hear them, they've made their way back to the woods behind my house. And you can hear them, they're everywhere. This one here. Ah! Did you see that? He just jumped in my face. He doesn't want to be photographed. And there's another one up there. And there's one, you can see his tail. It's right here. They're everywhere.